Hi, my name is Eileen Cárdenas and I talk about Tulum. It's the one of the most prized havens of the Mexican Caribbean. Tulum is special for natural beauty and its activities. Firstly, Tulum has the coastal was for its ancient miles on a cliff 12 meters above sea level, which makes it a structured survival point for preventing these attacks by enemies. Second, nature is beautiful and stand up for our white sand beaches and turquoise waters. And finally, in Tulum can do many activities. How snow cenotes can visit sea and camp, glamping, and enjoy the nature. Surrounding in Tulum, there are many places to stay, and the most special are expensive. Food stay well if we can finish places only family or places only for clubs or friends. In addition, in Tulum, there are many bars where you can meet people. Also can spin small art galleries and shipping clothing stores, as well as place that offers massages, free spa rituals, or evening yoga classes on the beach. In conclusion, Tulum is a magic zone and is worth of the name. Its natural beauty makes it special, the activities and the place to stay.